Wow, this is a new hose called Flat Out. I wonder how long it is.
20 metres.
20 metres, wow.
That's really impressive.
The whole hose here is rubbish. Complete new hose.
Are you serious? I have a product for you. Flat Out, my friend.
That's unwinding. So easy to connect with this brass fitting. We'll just roll it out.
Yeah, that's quick and easy.
Lovely. It's just like a fire hose. I really want one of these. This would be good on the caravan as well. Because it's a 25mm hose, it gives you a lot more pressure than a standard garden hose.
You can't even stand on it, look.
Yeah.
You can't even slap it if you stand on it.
I'll leave that on. Putting the hose away now. Into there, straight in there. And then we'll start winding it up. Come back again. That's so much easier. Fantastic. No tangles, straight up there. Look how thin it is. Straight in the boot, on the boat, the caravan. I love it. It's fantastic.